Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back. This is part 2 to the Half-Life series I'm doing. This is the canal part. This is the part I've been waiting for to get to the this airboat here, man. This is a great part of this game, and I think y'all can enjoy it. I loved it when I played it the first time. All right, she wants us to get in there. Let's go. Let's see how rusty I am on this part.
We're gonna get going now.
Yeah, we got how fast this thing rolls. They roll. This is how we roll, baby. Exactly how we roll. Happy. See y'all catch me now. Okay, I do remember that I got to stop here. I got to get out and go do some stuff up here. I do remember that. Okay, I got to open this gate right here, I remember. We open this gate, we can roll again. Alright. And I hope y'all are liking this series, man. I sure am enjoying playing again, man. It's been years since I played it. I'm going to tell you what, this is a game that never goes away. And I hope it inspires some of y'all to be playing this game. Buy this game to play it, all the episodes and everything. I mean, it is just an absolute fantastic game. I'm glad I decided to go back and replay it. I'm having a blast. I hope y'all are too. This is just an epic part of this game right here, and I love it. There's a lot of epic parts to come. This is just a blast right here. Oh no! Oh! Crap. Missed the ramp, folks. Hell, man. Let's come back around here and get lined up. There we go. Over the ramp, right. We gotta go right through here. No! Told you I wasn't no good at these driving games. Oh, real life, I'd have done crashed myself about 15 times. Alright, one thing I do know is we got to put these barrels in the water because they have to go underneath that to raise the ramp up so we can go over there. So, I think I have to come over here. There we go. Alright. Oh, flashlight. There we go. Don't think I can go that way. I gotta go. Here we go. Alright, I gotta knock these barrels out of here. They all go under there. And then I think that's all of them, I think. There's already one under there. I mean, look at the graphics in this game. The bubbles coming up and everything. I mean, you don't hardly see that in games nowadays. I mean, just the water aspect of it, the graphics, just absolutely amazing. I love it. Alright, now let me show you what we're going to do here, okay? Got to come up here and get these barrels to float this thing up so you can get to the other side of the canal here. Ooh, stayed under a little bit too long there. Try to get through this a little fast. I'm going to try to keep the videos at maybe about 15 minutes apiece. That way YouTube doesn't have such a hard time redoing them sometimes, or loading it up, I mean. Sometimes it has an issue with trying to load long video. Whoa. Come on, buddy. Get this thing turned around here. Where are you going? Oh, wait a minute. What in the world? Alright. Don't even ask me how I got my driver's license. I really don't know. Because I'm like going everywhere except where I need to go. Oh. Hope y'all getting a laugh out of this one. What in the world is going on here? Alright, there we go. Come out here and turn around. Get lined up. There we go. Oh no! Let's try that again. Hate them things. Just run right into the pole, why don't you? Well, get off the pole, why don't you? There you go. Oh my gosh. What? I told you. Not that great at these driving games. Go get this guy's ammo real quick. Boy, he had a bird's eye view of me coming down the river, didn't he?
We now have direct confirmation of a disruptor in our midst. One who has acquired an almost messianic reputation in the minds of certain citizens. His figure is synonymous with the darkest urges of instinct, ignorance, and decay. Some of the worst excesses of the Black Mesa incident have been laid directly at his feet. And yet unsophisticated minds continue to imbue him with romantic power, giving him such dangerous poetic labels as the one free man, the opener of the way. Let me remind all citizens of the dangers of magical thinking. We have scarcely begun to climb from the dark pit of our species' evolution. Let us not slide backward into oblivion, just as we have finally begun to see the light. If you see this so-called free man, report him. Civic deeds do not go unrewarded, and contrariwise, complicity with his cause will not go unpunished. Be wise. Be safe.
Coming for you, boy.
Beware.
got those man hacks? Oh, Lord have mercy. I hate those things. Thought they would have got him.
Remaining units contained.
Oh man, the wheel is oh crap, man, how do I get that away? I'll tell you what, they throw all kinds of twists and turns in here with you. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Remember cables, aren't they? Okay, I remember now. Watch this. Bingo! I'm sure I've got everybody in the world after me now. Sorry about that, folks. Just had a really bad cold lately. Oh, give me a break. I'm so sorry about that. I hope it doesn't affect y'all watching the game. It's been really kind of thick lately. Head cold, trying to get over it. I know there's another health thing, regenerizer here somewhere. This one's out, I think. I think there's another one. Man, I hate to go all the way back across there, but I need some health. That one's out too. That ain't good. There was something up here, I thought. Can't really remember. Alright, let's go back across over here. Okay, guys, I guess I'm going to end it right here. We got the gate open. I'll leave this for the rest of part number 3. I hope y'all are liking the series, and I hope it inspires y'all to buy this game if you haven't played it already. And I mean, this is just an amazing game. All the expansion packs, I can't praise it enough. This is the first game I ever started playing, so it brings back a lot of memories for me. Hope y'all like it and enjoying it. Remember, hit that like button, and I'll put them out even more. Appreciate y'all. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.